In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. If you send messages to the same set of people again and again, creating an email group saves you time and keeps things consistent. We'll be using the classic version of Outlook for this walkthrough, since the steps and buttons are specific to that layout. Start by opening Outlook. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click the people icon. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a small silhouette or be labeled people. This section is where your contacts live, and it's also where you'll manage your contact groups. At the top, on the Home tab, click New Contact Group. This opens a new window dedicated to setting up your group. Think of a contact group as a container that holds multiple email addresses so you can message them all at once. Give your group a clear, memorable name, something like Book Club, Project Team, or Weekly Update List. A descriptive name helps you find it quickly and makes it obvious what it's for. Next, click Add Members. You'll see three options: from Outlook Contacts, from Address Book, or New Email Contact. Choose from Outlook Contacts if the people you want are already saved in your personal contacts. Choose from Address Book if you're on a work or school account and you want to pull names from your organization's directory. Pick New Email Contact if you want to add someone by typing their email address without saving them as a full contact. When the selection window opens, pick the people you want in the group. If you're choosing more than one person at a time, hold the Control key while you click to select multiple names without losing your place. Take a moment to review your picks before confirming. Once you're satisfied, click OK. You'll be brought back to the group window, now showing the members you added. Give everything a final look to make sure the name and members are correct. When you're ready, click Save Close. Your group is now created and ready to use. The next time you compose an email, start typing the group's name in the To field, and Outlook will recognize it, letting you email everyone in the group with a single click. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.